Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by hunting demand, not ideas. Open Google Trends, set your target region and a time frame like 90 days so you capture current momentum, and enter 3 5-seed keywords that match your channel. Once done, compare them side by side to see which topic has upward interest. Make sure to click related queries and filter for rising terms. These are your high-leverage video hooks because they show sudden and growing viewer intent. Next, you refine the raw trend into a concrete video angle. Take a rising query and ask, who watches this and why? Then check subregion interest to localize your thumbnail and title. Once you identify seasonality or a recent spike, match that timing, publish while interest climbs. Also validate by cross-checking YouTube autocomplete and competitor spikes. If others published days ago, aim for a unique hook or faster production to capture early traffic. Finally, publish quickly and measure results so you can iterate. Produce a focused 4-10-minute video that answers the rising query, craft a clear title with the keyword near the front, and design a high-contrast thumbnail targeting the subregion or demographic you found. Once live, monitor CTR and watch time and look at search sources. If traction is low after 48 to 72 hours, change the title or thumbnail and retest. That adjustment often rescues a video before the algorithm stops recommending it.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.